So this tutorial is going to be on how to insert a video into a Google Docs using a Google Slide. Currently, Google does not support adding YouTube video into a Google Doc, but this is a workaround that really does a pretty neat job. And for the YouTube video, I'm actually using a video by Lisa Highfill on how to use Google Docs, or how to insert video into Google Docs using a Google Slide. So it's sort of like a tutorial within a tutorial. To start with, I want to first get the URL or the share URL for this document or for this video. So I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to take a screenshot of this image because I'm going to use this in just a minute to be able to link what I'm creating to the document that I'm going to be using. So hopefully it'll all be clear in just a moment. So I have my YouTube video selected. I have the link for it shared. I am now going to, see if I can move this down, there. And I'm going to go to my Google Drive, and I'm going to create a new Google Slide. I don't need themes, so I'm going to close out of that. I'm going to change the layout to blank, and I'm going to change the background color to black. I think this gives it a more polished look when everything is done, but this is up to you if you want to be able to do that. So now I'm going to insert, and I'm going to insert a video, and I'm going to insert the video by URL. And select, and there is the tutorial on how to insert a YouTube video into Google Docs using Google Slides. You can position it where you want it to be. Okay, that's entirely up to you. Now, this is the step that was mentioned in the directions. I want to scroll to the end of the link, and currently this is set to edit that slide. Well, I don't want the edit part showing. So I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to change edit to preview. And now this is exactly what you see. You don't see the edit side at all. I'm going to copy this URL because I want to be able to use that. I'm also going to make sure that my settings are shared. So I'm going to change. I need to title. Get the shareable link. And I double check that. And check it here just to make sure that it's still in preview. Oops, so I'm going to go back and change it again. And now I'm going to go to my document where I'm putting this in, adding videos to Google Docs. So these are your directions here. And I'm going to start with typing in watch this video. I'm going to insert that image, the screenshot that I took. So I'm going to go to my desktop, and it's going to add my screenshot here. I'm going to highlight watch this video, and the link is the link to the preview that I added for the video. And there is your tutorial.
Want to include video in your multimedia tech set?
And students can now, within that Google Doc, watch the video and be able to get the information without having to leave and go to other sites or wander around, and it just keeps everything contained right within that document. So there you go.